Meaning of fire screen.
Fire screen.
Fire screen.
Fire screen.
Fire screen. Fire screen can refer to two different things. First, it can mean a protective screen used to prevent sparks or embers from flying out of a fireplace and causing a fire hazard. It is typically made of metal or glass and placed in front of the fireplace. Second, it can refer to a type of decorative screen or room divider that often features images of flames or fire. These screens are not intended for use as a safety measure but rather for aesthetic purposes. In short, fire screen can either be a safety device for fireplaces or a decorative piece featuring images of fire.